Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, here our today's topic is transformation of sentence. Okay, and this is our lecture number 4. Look dear students, please follow the board. Here we are going to discuss about simple to complex. Dear students, you will get this discussion, you will get this topic in your book, of course, in your Advanced Learners Communicative English Grammar book, okay. But here I am going to give some information about this topic in front of you, okay. So dear students, here our today's topic is simple to complex. Look dear students, at first you have to learn some rules so that you can do this exercise easily. Look, number 1, a simple sentence having present participle in the beginning can be changed into a complex sentence by using the following rule. Number 1, the present participle is to be changed according to the same tense of the sentence, and subject will be used in the two clauses, okay. And look here, number 2, since or else or when has to be used at the beginning of the first clause depending on the meaning of the first clause. Then look here, number 3, a comma is used between the two clauses. Look dear students, now I am going to say an example so that you can understand it easily. Look here in simple sentence, hearing the news, comma, he went home, full stop. Okay, look here my example is what? Hearing the news, comma, he went home. So as per our rule, here you have to write its complex sentence like this, so you have to make it in complex sentence. Look here, when he heard the news, he went home. When he heard the news, he went home. So dear students, here as per our rule, the present participle is to be changed according to the same tense of the sentence, and subject will be used in the two clauses, okay. And since or else or when has to be used at the beginning of the first clause depending on the meaning of the first clause. So here we have used when, okay. Then look, number 3, a comma is used between the two clauses. Here we have used comma, okay. So like this way you have to make, or you have to transform from simple to complex. Look here, another rule, a simple sentence with an adjective qualifying the object can be transformed into a complex sentence by using the following rule. Here look, subject plus verb plus object plus relative pronoun, for example who or which or that, plus auxiliary verb plus adjective, okay. Now I am going to say an example. In simple sentence, he bought a big fish. Look dear students, if you transform it into complex sentence, then you have to write it like this way. He bought a fish which or that was big, okay. So you have to make it transform like this way. He bought a fish which or that was big, okay. So as per our rule, you have to transform it like this way. Then look here, I have given here another example. Look, in simple sentence, I help a poor boy. Look, its complex sentence will be what? I help a boy who is poor, okay. Dear students, then look, number 3, a simple sentence containing to can be changed into a complex sentence by using so that, okay. It's example. Look, in simple sentence, he is too weak to move. Here you have to transform it to a complex sentence. You have to write it like this way. He is so weak that he cannot move. He is so weak that he cannot move. So dear students, you have to write, you have to transform this from simple sentence to complex sentence like this way, okay. So as per our rule, containing to can be changed into a complex sentence by using so that, okay. Look, our next rule, a simple sentence with an infinitive indicating purpose or intention can be transformed into a complex sentence by using so that, okay. In simple sentence, look here, he goes to the library to read. Here you can transform this in complex sentence like this way. He goes to the library so that he can or may read, okay. Look dear students, like this way you have to read all of these rules from your book and you have to follow your book properly. And there is no SW in our today's class. We will discuss about this topic in our next class too. Allah Hafiz.